Silly.
Do that again. It's stuck. It's stuck. Here, flip his nose.
Silly Jolly
Go like that. Touch his nose and see if it comes undone. Go like that.
Silly Jolly Bird.
I am so silly. Yes, I am. I'm silly.
You gonna go over there and see Charlie Bird?
Yeah.
Come
Go over
here.
there and hang out with him.
What do you want him to do?
I don't know.
You don't know. Say, sing a song. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Yeah. Happy birthday. It's a bird. He's a bird. He's happy birthday. Happy birthday to me. Where's my cake? Where's your cake? We didn't get you no cake.
What? You didn't give me no cake. I need a cake with bird seed sprinkled all over the top of it.
You want a cake with bird seed scattered all over the top.
Silly Jolly Bird.
Hey, what are you doing over there?